All right, YouTubers, I've been beating on this for about 10 minutes. I finally got a gap, but it's no joke. I've been beating on it for 10 minutes with a sledgehammer and a chisel, and it's coming. I almost got it, but you just got to be patient with it, but the hub assembly will come out of there. I laugh because it's been starting to get me to start to wonder. There we go. All right, this thing has a washer on it and it's splined, so the washer stays on. All right, next we're gonna clean up this surface right here really good before we put the new hub assembly in. Clean up all this really good with a wire brush, SOS pad. A lot of elbow grease. I'm also getting right inside here, like this. Alright, I pulled this spline shaft over to the side so I can get all the way around, and then I'll pull it over to this bracket here after I do this side and the inside all the way around. Hope you get to it. Alright, YouTubers, this thing right here does a much better job. You got the inside surface, then you got the concave surface right here on the outside rim, and then you got the flat surface on the outside. But this does a very good job of cleaning it all up.